Welcome. If you're here, some part of you is still carrying something, a wound that never quite closed. Maybe it's old, maybe it's recent. Either way, you don't have to carry it alone tonight. Find a comfortable position. Let your eyes close or soften your gaze downward. Just let this be a moment that belongs only to you. Take a slow breath in and let it go with a sigh. Again, breathe in through your nose and release through your mouth. With each breath, let your shoulders drop a little further. Let your jaw unclench. There's nowhere else you need to be right now. Nothing else you need to fix. Just this breath. Just this moment. Now bring your awareness to your chest, to the space around your heart. Somewhere in there is a place that's been holding on to something that hurt you, something that was said or done or lost. You don't need to relive it. You don't even need to name it. Just acknowledge, quietly, gently, something here still hurts. And that's okay. That's human. Breathe into that space now. Imagine your breath as warm light moving into your chest with every inhale. To whatever part of you has been holding this pain, I want you to hear these words. You did the best you could with what you knew. You don't have to earn your healing. You are allowed to let this go, even if you don't fully understand it yet. With your next exhale, imagine the pain loosening. Just slightly. Not gone, just loosening. Like a hand that's been clenched, finally starting to open. Breathe in safety. Breathe out what no longer belongs to you. Breathe in safety. Breathe out what no longer belongs to you. Breathe in safety. Breathe out what no longer belongs to you. If tears come, let them come. They're not weakness, they're release. Your body knowing how to heal itself the way it always has. Picture the wound now as something small and tender, held gently in your own 2 hands. You're not trying to fix it or explain it. You're just holding it the way you'd hold something precious. Whisper inwardly if you'd like. I see you. I'm sorry you went through that. You're safe now. Before we close, repeat quietly to yourself. I release what I no longer need to carry. I am allowed to heal at my own pace. I am safe in this moment. I am healing. Take one more deep breath in and let it out slowly. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring movement back into your body. You did something brave tonight. You sat with your pain instead of running from it. That takes courage. Sleep well, or go gently into your day.